We are slaves in our own country, whilst Isita lives in luxury and enjoys the benefits of being a South African. Tina as abantu abamnyama, we suffer the most, high unemployment, and okuwesing nakho konke awunamanzi right now, and you have no one to complain to. Uzohlala ethembeni and wait ukuthi amanzi azabuye. You have no one to report to, and you think ukuthi leyo mpilo i-right. Right now kungahamba ugesi and you will have no one to report to. Uzohlala ethembeni nezingane zakho, uzohlala ethembeni nabazali bakho until ugesi ubuye, and you think ukuthi leyo mpilo i-right. I hear abantu busy talking ukuthi the constitution is changing. What's your take, brother Zero? I'm telling you ukuthi it is all a lie. Do you think ukuthi changing a couple of words on a book, on a piece of paper, will end the system that is oppressing Mnyama? Do you seriously think ukuthi Isita will give away all of the resources that they stole from our forefathers, they stole from our ancestors, just because when you changed a couple of words on a piece of paper? Why are you running away from the fact that as black people we need to start the revolution? Why are you running away from the fact that as black people we are suffering and we need to go to the streets? It's a and burn this country. Kona sokwazi ukuthi si rebuild. Kona sokwazi ukuthi create a nation where the black man, the black woman thrives, where black excellence is mandatory. Where now you think that you are fighting the system by changing the constitution, when the whole system was rigged to be against you as umuntu mnyama. Right now, where now you are able to pass omunye umuntu omnyama ufana nawe on the streets ebheka ukudla emgqomeni. Right now you're able to pass ugogo odayisa emgaqweni. Right now wena you're able to pass ingane ehlele esitolo, wena ukhulume uthi le ingane ayina kusasa, ayina future. Wena you are saying ukuthi iSouth Africa ayina kusasa, ayina future. You refuse to start the revolution. You want to fight Isita in their own game, using their own system.